Deliciously moist coconut coffee liqueur cake. A must-try recipe. Hey there, baking enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for all the coconut and coffee lovers out there. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with our decadent coconut coffee liqueur cake. This moist and fluffy cake combines the tropical sweetness of coconut with the rich, aromatic flavor of coffee liqueur. It's the perfect indulgence for any occasion. So, grab your apron and let's dive into this irresistible recipe. Ingredients. For the cake: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 3 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup coconut milk, 1/4 cup coffee liqueur, such as Kahlua, 1/4 cup strong brewed coffee. For the coconut frosting: 1½ cups heavy cream, 1/4 cup powdered sugar, 1/2 teaspoon coconut extract, shredded coconut, for garnish. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9-inch round cake pan or line it with parchment paper. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. In a separate small bowl, combine the coconut milk, coffee liqueur, and brewed coffee. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture, alternating with the coconut milk mixture. Begin and end with the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan and smooth the top with a spatula. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. To make the coconut frosting, in a chilled mixing bowl, whip the heavy cream until soft peaks form. Gradually add the powdered sugar and coconut extract, and continue whipping until stiff peaks form. Once the cake has cooled, spread the coconut frosting evenly over the top and sides of the cake. Sprinkle shredded coconut over the frosting for garnish. Slice and serve the coconut coffee liqueur cake and enjoy the creamy coconut and rich coffee flavors. And there you have it, our mouthwatering coconut coffee liqueur cake recipe. We hope you enjoyed joining us in creating this delightful dessert that perfectly blends the exotic essence of coconut with the robust kick of coffee liqueur. Be sure to give it a try in your own kitchen and let us know how it turns out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest culinary adventures. Until next time, happy baking and enjoy every scrumptious bite of this heavenly treat. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueur's coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.